Hello, and welcome back to the Vegan Lifestyle Blog. We're thrilled to have you join us for part 4 of our series, The Doctors Are In. Before we dive in, let's take a quick look back at our previous topic, exercise. We learned how movement fuels our bodies, boosts our moods, and contributes to overall health. Remember, even a simple daily walk can work wonders for your physical and mental well-being. Today, we're turning our attention to a topic so essential that none of us can live without it: water. Let's start with water's role inside the body. Did you know that up to 60% of the human body is made up of water? It's the key to keeping every organ functioning smoothly. Proper hydration supports digestion, flushes out toxins, and even keeps your skin glowing. Experts recommend drinking around 8 to 10 cups of water a day, but this can vary depending on your age, weight, activity level, and even the climate you live in. Listen to your body. It often knows when it's thirsty. Now, let's talk benefits. Drinking enough water not only prevents dehydration, but also helps with mental clarity, energy levels, and maintaining a healthy weight. Feeling sluggish? You might just need a tall glass of water. But what happens when we don't drink enough? Studies show that dehydration can lead to headaches, fatigue, and even mood swings. Long-term dehydration can strain your kidneys and other organs, so it's something to take seriously. Remember, staying hydrated is a simple yet powerful habit. But water isn't just for drinking. Externally, water plays a huge role in cleansing and therapy. Think about how a warm bath can help soothe sore muscles, or how a cold compress can reduce swelling. Hydrotherapy, using water at different temperatures, has been practiced for centuries to boost circulation, relax the body, and even aid in recovery from injuries. Never underestimate the healing touch of water. So, what do the experts say? Leading health professionals agree that water is nature's elixir. They emphasize that staying hydrated is one of the easiest ways to prevent chronic issues and maintain overall health. And don't forget, choosing clean, pure water is important too. Filtered or spring water often works best. All right, that's a wrap for today's episode. Let's keep the conversation flowing in the comments. How do you incorporate water into your daily routine? Share your tips with us. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this with your friends and family. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time on the Vegan Lifestyle Blog. Bye for now.